The rotator cuff repair augmentation. Rotator cuff retears after surgery, yeah, a big headache, mostly because the initial fix just isn't strong enough right away. But check this out, there's this new biocomposite scaffold that might change the game. It brings both immediate strength and helps your body heal things up biologically. First, this scaffold, it's called BioBrace, gives what they call crucial time zero strength. That means solid support right from the get-go. Older implants didn't really do that. BioBrace uses these neat bioresorbable microfilaments, kind of like tiny bits of rebar for your sutures. They add about 141 newtons of immediate load-sharing strength. That's a big deal for stopping sutures from pulling through tissue, reducing those frustrating early retears. Second, BioBrace also kicks butt on the biological healing side. It has this really porous type 1 collagen, which is bioinductive. Fancy way of saying it actively signals your body to build new tissue, help it mature, and remodel itself right there. You get faster tissue growth into the scaffold, and eventually the scaffold itself just dissolves away, leaving behind your own strong, regenerated tissue. Finally, when you combine that instant structural help with the active biological boost, well, that's where you see real wins for patient recovery. By preventing the repaired tissue from gapping, making the tendon thicker, and just improving the whole repair, BioBrace can actually support better, maybe even faster rehab protocols. That potentially means fewer failures and just better long-term results for patients. So this innovative approach really aims to optimize healing, offering both strength and biology right from day one for potentially better outcomes.